also obviously work on technique as well. So I mean, it is.
So guys, today, if you can see us just driving, we had a petrol station, and we are just getting our car washed, and just show you guys what it looks like. So my dad's going to buy a ticket. So this is what I can see in front of me right now. Is that? And over there, that just, and there's a special machine. You put the ticket. So, yeah, right now if you can't see me, it's me guys. This is my sunroof. So you're right there guys. Comment guys down below who's been here. So thanks guys for my 3 subscribers from my other video of me jumping over the a double. So thanks for that. So right now my dad and Wesley are busy coming to tickets.
Let's go.
So yeah. So are you ready, Wes?
Yeah, we're all ready.
So we all ready, Wes. He's wearing his pajamas.
Okay.
And
Okay, here we go.
okay.
From the shop. Drive forward gently. Car wash. Enter your code. And that is 133155. Please wait. Code accepted. Drive.
Oh my Oh!
Oh my gosh.
It's coming, Wesley, it's coming!
No!
Oh my gosh. It thinks like you guys are actually like moving. Is it cool, Wes?
Yeah.
I wonder what's next.
Oh, the green monsters are coming. The green monsters.
Oh,
Oh my god! This is scary creepy.
oh.
No!
They're going. Oh my gosh. Like this video, guys.
Holy! Oh my god!
It's pretty cool. It's pretty noisy. It's fun.
It's coming back.
Imagine I open my window and then quickly. Damn it, open my window.
Get stuck in there. Get cool.
Oh my god. Let's see if it's clean. Ooh. So guys, you hope you enjoyed that, and please subscribe and hit that like button. So thanks. Bye, Belle.